O problemado ka pa rin dahil sa restricted account mo sa Messenger? Ano pa ba yung ibang reason? Number 1, reported as a spam. If recipients mark your messages as a spam, Facebook may temporarily block you from sending messages to prevent further spam reports. Ibig sabihin lang nun guys ay ayaw ng friend mo or ng isang group chat yung same message na pino-forward or sinesend mo sa kanila. Kaya nire-report nila yon as spam message. Number 2, hack account. If your account is hacked, it may be restricted to prevent misuse. Meaning to say lang guys, is hindi mo alam na meron nagtatry na mag-hack ng mismong account mo. Kaya pala hindi mo magamit yung mismong messenger mo. And lastly, number 3, intellectual property breach. If you infringe on someone's copyright or trademark, your account may be restricted. So alam nyo naman yun guys, yung mga video or picture na hindi ginagamit for commercial purposes ay huwag mo rin isi-share sa mismong messenger mo. Baka matrace kasi yun as copyright infringement. So paano? Gusto mo pa ba ng ganitong tips and update? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys!